meget. Der er en dumpet i Valdikker Hotel. Så det er jo... Den er stadigvæk ikke lukket, tænker jeg.
Nu giver vi jer en dumpet for 50 mil. For I vælger 6 af mine gutter.
Vi har ringet til politiet for jer.
Nej, det!
Det var dig, der skrev til politiet. Ja, okay, det fik jeg også lige.
Okay, det fik jeg også.
En nede shop, en nede shop,
Nej, vi lukker ham ud i Klammer. Vi lukker ham ud i Klammer.
en nede.
Nede.
Du og jeg i en leg. Hvad skal I have for at trække jer fra Black Mafia?
Vi har sagt det. Vi vil have de 250 mil.
Max! Ai, Max!
Ai, esse é o DJ Bulldog, o cachorrão das putas.
DJ Bulldog, putaria,
Fuck mig, man, din klamme kælling, man.
Det der Pio.
Jamen, hvorfor pyrer du til os?
Ja, hvor ringe præsidentarbejde til for ham.
Ai, esse é o DJ Bulldog, o cachorrão das putas.
Ja, de købte en shot,
First things first, let's talk about facts and works. Your boy owns it, match no works. Talk about guns, we on that work. Never. And to make shit worse, I got all 5, that's real blood first. He got zinged and he got burst. Next outcome getting put in the dirt. How the fuck are we king of the 6? When none of them's king and shit. It was me who got A6 man, yitch that yitch in front of his bitch. Oh no, now we can't be bruised like witch. Put me your up man's letting it rip. War is war, no settling this. They never got touched, they ain't telling you this. Yo, Ohms got punch in his big mouth. 888 and Ghost got ying down. And the white boy got ying down. One track skateboy still got ying down. Ain't not Casey's been round. Silver up man spin round. Either lay down or get down. It's bang with a gun man press out. Chest and head got dug out. Ooh, cause my brain did bug out. Pull up.
Hvorfor? Vi kan knippe valget, virkelig.
Ja, livet. Mærkelig bande. Ja, vi får fucking dealer til Maraten, man.